right, talking about finding cube roots. If you look at this list over here, if I multiply 1 times 1 times 1, I get 1, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Here I have a list of my first 12 cubes and what you get. Now, if you take the cube root of these numbers, the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of 27 is 3, and there's the first 12 of them. So let's look over here. The cube root of 8. What times itself 3 times gives me 8? Well, let's think about this. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2. All right. The cube root of negative 27. Now, we said when we were doing square roots, you could not have a negative up under the radical. But if it's an odd index, and 3 is odd, then you can. So this would be what times itself 3 times gives you a negative 27. That would be negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. These two make a 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So the answer to this one is negative 3. My cube root is negative 3. It works the same with fractions. This is perfect, and this is, perfect cube, and this is a perfect cube. So 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1, and 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So I just take the cube root of each part, so I get 1 over 4. So the cube root of 1 over 64 is 1/4. Same thing here. We've already done the 27. The negative 27, we knew that part was 3. But what times itself 3 times is 1,000? Well, that would be 10 times 10 times 10. If you look right here, that would be 10. So, and there you go. There are other cube root videos for geometry and Algebra 1 if you need more examples. Just look for those.